Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 6 minus 6 times 2 plus 9. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one addition. As we know, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction and addition. So first we have to handle this multiplication. 6 times 2 gives us 12. So we have 6 minus 12 plus 9. And now we have this subtraction and this addition. As we know, addition and subtraction have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this subtraction, 6 minus 12, which equals negative 6. So negative 6 plus 9, which equals just 3. So our final answer to this problem is just 3.